Welcome to the onboarding process for the Introdyne Archiver AOS 7. Before you can begin the onboarding process, you must log in using the username admin and password change.me. Begin by reviewing the end-user license agreement. Once you accept the terms, click Save and Continue. Next, enter the product key emailed to you by Introdyne support. If successful, this will proceed to the registration page. Fill out the Archiver registration form with your company's information along with details on a contact. The time settings page will allow you to review and adjust the time on your Introdyne Archiver. You can also sync your Archiver with various network time protocols. The Standby page may allow you to set up your Archiver as a standby machine. See the Onboarding Standby Setup tutorial for more information. The Domain Name page allows you to set a domain name for your Archiver. Follow the example on screen using your company's name in place of the word example. In order to be able to receive daily status emails, job completion notifications, and the ability to forward email, you must first set up outgoing SMTP. This can also be skipped to set up at a later time. Choose if you'd like your system to save full emails or headers only. On the Password Requirements page, you can choose how often users need to change their password along with how complex a password needs to be. You can alter the minimum length along with the necessity of lowercase, uppercase, numbers, special characters, or spaces. The last step is to create an initial password for the admin user. Enter the email address for this user along with a password matching the complexity specified from the previous page. Make sure to remember this combination as you will need it to log in to your Archiver. Once you verify your password, click Save and Finish. This concludes the process of the AOS 7 onboarding flow. See more tutorials and helpful tips at support.introdyne.com.